I want you to take a deep breath, sit down, and give me your full attention right now, because we need to talk about your money. You are either retired, or you are getting ready to retire, which means you have worked far too hard, for far too many years, to let your financial security slip through your fingers because of a technology you do not understand. Lately, you've probably heard your kids, your grandkids, or the evening news talking about cryptocurrency, the TUN network, and digital assets. Maybe someone suggested you look into it, or maybe you're just curious. But here is what happens. The moment you start looking into it, fear sets in. You see terms like blockchain, crypto wallets, and decentralized finance, and it feels like an entirely different language designed to make you feel left out. Worse yet, you are terrified of scammers, and you should be. The internet is full of predators waiting for you to make one wrong click so they can wipe out your hard-earned retirement nest egg. You ask yourself, can I actually navigate this safely? Is it even possible for me to manage a digital wallet on my Android phone without losing everything? The answer is yes, you can, but only if you do it with absolute discipline and maximum protection. Today, I am going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up and use the Tonkeeper wallet on your Android device. This is a popular, non-custodial wallet designed for the TUN blockchain network. I am going to hold your hand through this entire process, explain the exact mechanics of how it works, and show you how to protect yourself every step of the way. First, let's understand the problem and the fundamental difference in how this money works. When you put your money in a traditional bank, that bank is a custodial institution. If you forget your password, you call their 1-800 number, you prove who you are, and they reset it for you. Tonkeeper is what we call a self-custody or non-custodial wallet. What does that mean? It means you are the bank. There is no corporate headquarters to call. There is no customer service manager who can recover your funds if you make a mistake. You have total control, which gives you absolute freedom, but it also means you carry 100% of the responsibility. If that scares you, good. Let that fear turn into the hyper-awareness you need to do this correctly. Let's start with your first actionable step, downloading the app. Pick up your Android phone and open the official Google Play Store. Do not click on a link someone emailed you, do not click an ad on a website, and do not download an app from a random link sent to you in a text message or on Telegram. Go directly to the Google Play Store yourself. In the search bar, type in Tonkeeper. Now, before you hit download, I want you to look closely at the screen. Scammers create fake apps that look almost identical to the real ones just to steal your assets. Look for the developer name. The real Tonkeeper app is developed by Ton Apps Limited. Check the reviews and look at the download numbers. It should have millions of downloads, not just a few hundred. If everything matches, go ahead and click install. Once the app is installed on your Android device, open it up. You will be greeted with a clean, simple screen that gives you two choices: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Since you are starting fresh, you are going to select create a new wallet. The very first thing the app will ask you to do is create a PIN code. This is a 4 or 6-digit number that you will use every single time you open the app or want to approve a transaction. Do not make this your birth year. Do not make it 1-2-3-4, and do not use the same PIN you use for your garage door. Create a brand new secure PIN. If your Android phone has a fingerprint scanner or facial recognition, the app might ask if you want to enable biometric security. I highly recommend you say yes, because it adds an extra layer of physical security that only you can provide. Now, listen to me closely, because we have reached the most critical moment of this entire setup. This is the place where people make catastrophic mistakes that cost them their savings. The app is going to display a sequence of 24 random words on your screen. This sequence is called your recovery phrase, your seed phrase, or your secret key. Here is what you are not going to do. You are not going to take a screenshot of these words. You are not going to copy and paste them into an email to yourself. You are not going to save them in a note-taking app on your phone. Why? Because if your email or your phone gets hacked, the hacker finds those words, and your money is gone instantly. Instead, I want you to grab a physical piece of paper and a pen. Write down every single one of those 24 words in the exact numerical order they appear on the screen. Now your wallet is fully active and you will see your main dashboard. It's clean, it's simple, and it shows your balance, which right now is 0. You will see a few primary buttons: send, receive, and buy. Let's look at how you receive digital assets or Toncoin into your new wallet. When you click on the Receive button, the app will generate a long string of random letters and numbers, along with a square QR code. This is your public wallet address. Think of it exactly like your bank account's routing and account number. It is completely safe to share this address with others because it only allows people to send money to you. It does not give anyone permission to take money out. When it comes to sending crypto out of your Tonkeeper wallet, you will click the Send button. The app will ask you to input the recipient's wallet address. Never, ever try to type this address out letter by letter. It is too long, and if you make a single typo, your money is sent into the void of the blockchain, and it can never be recovered. Now, pay attention to this massive warning. If you are sending funds from your Tonkeeper wallet back to a centralized financial exchange, the exchange will often require you to enter something called a memo or a tag alongside the address. Managing your own finances in retirement means being defensive. It means valuing security over speed. By installing Tonkeeper correctly from the official store, securing your 24-word recovery phrase entirely offline, and using tiny test transactions, you are taking total control of your money with wisdom and power. Stay safe, stay secure, and never stop protecting what you've built.